Hi friends, welcome to my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. In this video we will learn that how can we create labels in plan view for pipe networks. So to create labels in plan view we use the add labels command. We can create labels one by one for all the parts of network at once. After the labels are in place, you may have to drag them to clear areas in drawing so that they can be read more easily. Okay, let's start our exercise number 4 for chapter number 16. You can download this drawing creating labels in plan view from description link. In this exercise, we will create all the plan view labels at once for the storm network. The labels will be cluttered, but we will address that in the next exercise. So when you will open this drawing, you have some 3 viewports and some pipe network for stormwater, sewerage and so on. So for example, I want to create a label for this pipe network. What I should do, I will go to annotate and then here you can see add label. Just click upside and here you can see feature as pipe network, and here label type should be entire network plan. If we are going to label whole network at once, then we will select entire network plan. If we just want to label a single segment of pipe, then you can select some of them: single part plan, single part in profile, single part in section. So now in this exercise we are just going for plan view labels. So I will select entire network plan. Then down, pipe label style should be C-storm pipe data, one line, and structure label style C-storm structure data. So click add here and then you need to select the one part of any network. You will see here on red pipe stormwater network. When I will click on one pipe, it will label all of them pipes and structures. So you can see here we have label for each structure and pipe. They are not clear, then you can select your label and drag them to clear area for better presentation. So if you want to put a single segment for any pipe network, then you can select here single part plan and I'm leaving them all as it is. You can select any one from them, select add and select any other. You can see sewerage line, just add. I add label here for one part. There is no label for any other part of this sewerage line because I go with single part plan. So you can do like this for entire plan and a single part of pipe networks in plan view. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you want to learn Civil 3D from basic to advanced.